This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, March the 16th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a fairly zonal flow out of the west-northwest across our area around some energy over Hudson Bay and into James Bay and into Canada. It keeps cold air around here, or semi-cold air around here. Some clouds around, highs in the 30s and 40s, maybe a few upper 20s, with some sunshine around. Sunday will be a little bit cloudier, especially in our southern and our western counties, as a storm to our south brings some rain down there and maybe a little bit of snow coming in late Sunday afternoon into the evening in our western counties, with a storm system coming through here on Monday, Sunday night into Monday, with some snow, maybe a wintry mix, maybe an inch or two of snow, not a big deal. Could cause a few travel issues, but not many. That storm moves off to the east on Tuesday. Could see some lingering flurries around, but temperatures are still going to remain cold as high pressure moves in from the north and west. And that continues even here into Wednesday. Wednesday morning could be quite cool, lows down into the teens, maybe even a few upper single digits in cooler valley locations, with highs back into the 30s, maybe a few upper 20s in some areas. When we head off to Thursday, we have another storm system coming in. Cold air still around, may bring the onset of the precipitation as some wintry mix, some snow, maybe a bit of freezing rain or some sleet before a changeover to rain, especially in our southern counties. And then Friday, we have the system kind of splitting. We have one piece off into the southeast and another over the Midwest into the plains with some snow, with dry air trying to infiltrate from the northeast. And then a week from today, we have some energy kind of scattered about, one over Iowa, one over the Great Lakes, one over the Mid-Atlantic, several over the Atlantic up into the North Atlantic at this point. And around here, we'll have an upper-level feature with some convective snow showers. It'll be cold, highs in the 30s, maybe even struggling into the 30s. We could see 20s, with some snow showers here and there, with some clouds. A couple days after that, on the 27th, it warms back up again as we have a ridge coming in, as the Greenland block is finally broken down. And this will bring warm weather back in by this point. It also brings the chance of maybe a few rain showers, especially in Minnesota and maybe the far northern counties of Iowa. This would bring temperatures here back at least into the 40s, maybe a few low 50s around here. And at the end of the forecast on the 31st, now we have a trough axis just entering the state with a pretty progressive flow around here. Another one moving into the northwest as well. And this could bring a fairly feisty storm system around here. This could bring some rain, maybe some moderate rain in some cases, and maybe even some moderate snow around here as we head toward the 1st of April. The satellite image from last evening showed some clouds around from the Great Lakes into the plains and up into the north and west and the California coast. Not a big storm system by any means. And the watch warning map from last evening, we had some winter weather advisories in Minnesota and Wisconsin, across the lower peninsula of Michigan, some winter storm watches in Montana and North Dakota, and some flooding continuing on some area rivers in the Midwest to the south. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing some liquid amounts of about 1/4 of an inch or so, most of that in the form of some rain or some snow or a mix of the two.